Hello again, it's Marissa at Concourse, and this time I'm going to show you how to retrieve the connections you've collected at the education fair. Just log in to concourse.global/discover, click the Engage tab on the left, and the drop-down menu to locate the correct event. You might find some students under the Other Events tab that have scanned you at the fair but might have forgotten to check into the correct events. Once you're viewing your leads, you can click the Export Students button to download a list of your connections for entry into your CRM. But if you'd like an edge on other institutions, you can reach out to students directly through Concourse. This pushes your message to the student's smartphone rather than their inbox. And on Concourse, you can view complete student profiles or encourage students to complete more of their profiles to enrich your conversation. Concourse is for meaningful conversation, so keep your messages short, friendly, and personal. If you have any questions about accessing your connections, please send us an email. You might also be wondering who all of these students are under the Discover tab. These are thousands of students from over 50 countries that you can recruit as part of our paid subscription service. If your institution is looking for more diversity and a unique edge in recruiting students, click the Learn More link provided in our follow-up email. Thank you again for using Concourse Connect at the Education Fair. We wish you the best of luck and high conversion rates during this application cycle.